Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Bro, what a freaking day to have the finals. Bitcoin has smacked me in the ass on that 50K bet. And now we are looking, dude, here's my question. Has the move already happened? And now the show's coming on and they're going to be battling it out.
I think altcoins are still running. I think altcoins still have a chance to run. I think that's what Bitcoin's going to do now. Bitcoin's going to pull back, kind of just go sideways and have a little mini altcoin season, whether it's today or this next couple of days. I think alts are going to run a little bit now. And what a day, dude. Like you said, right? Last day of trading wars, a 3-way head-to-head freaking battle, and Bitcoin cracks 50,000 today.
Yeah,
it's going to be good, dude. It's going to be a good day.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Crypto fam, if you haven't already, make sure to smash the like. Make sure to follow all the creators. Now, listen, we didn't just bring the finalists on today. We brought other creators, other traders that have been on the show that have been eliminated throughout the season. So we've got them on as well. We want to have some fun. We want to let the traders focus on trading. They are backstage. They know that they can trade live. The finalists, we'll call them up in just a minute, but there's 3 of them and they are ready to rock and roll. I know they're excited. Let's bring up the non-finalist contestants first. Why don't you bring them up, Crusader? Oh,
yo, Alex All Crypto, what's going on, man?
What's going on, man? Thanks for having me, guys. It's good to be here in the loser's seat, but you know,
what? I think let's talk about it, right? Alex, I think, was the only trader that never ever had a negative day and still got beat.
That's all right.
Yeah. So hey, you can't complain about that.
Right? It's not the trader.
We're just grateful to be here, man. That's it, man. Massive gratitude to you guys for putting this on.
Well, you have.
Hey, bro, that's why we have future seasons for you to come back and reclaim that title, man.
That's right. That's right. Another legend in the house, Army Piper. Army, what's up, brother?
What's up, bro? How you guys doing, man? Honored to be back hanging out, chilling this time. No stress, no pressure, just hanging out with the boys.
That's
and
right.
the girl. Is Jenna here?
No, she's not feeling so hot today.
Okay. Well, I guess it's the boys then. It's the boys' day out.
That's right. Crypto fam, if you haven't shared this live out, share it out because we are about to bring up the 3 finalists. We'll see if they're already trading. You know, I think it's appropriate to bring up first the trigger man, Evan Aldo. Evan, what is going on, brother?
Great to be on, man. I'm really excited for this. Already in one small trade. So exciting day, man. Oh, man, this market is nuts.
Glad that you are here. And second on hand, CryptoBlood. What's up, brother?
What's going on, Keeper?
Blood got Bloodlytics rocking and rolling. He's probably already in 48 trades. Who knows? We'll see how
I probably am. And
then the legend CryptoFace. Face, good to see you, brother.
What's going on, man?
Share out the live, crypto fam, if you haven't already. Let's have some fun today. Actually, let me rework how we let me
act
put
like
these 3.
Act like you want to be here, Face. Yeah. Come on, man. God dang.
Man, listen, man, I'm focused. Man, I've been to the gulag. I'm fucking done it.
I've been to the gulag.
I'm trying. I have a hard time chewing gum and spitting at the same time. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
That guys know. You just gotta get him to talk, and he can't trade.
Good competition. It's been the whole competition's been good. I'm surprised I made it this far. So, but I'm also not surprised.
but also,
come on now, man. Let's not.
But at the same time, I'm really good at this. So you know.
Sometimes.
All right, so gentlemen, we're not going to do any. We're going to let you guys trade today. I'll just tell you up front. We're not going to do any. We're not going to be spinning the wheel and try. I want to just see who can win out today, right? And I will tell you. I know from what Blood does actively, I know how Evan trades, and I know how Face trades. All 3 of these traders are going to be trading today. Yes. They're not just going to be sitting on their hands letting the other traders beat themselves. I'll tell you
got all the P&Ls and all the stuff before the show, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I actually meant to I've got everybody's numbers, yes. But let me are you guys already in? You guys are already in your trades. I should have grabbed. I've got them written down.
I'm not. Man, are we gonna make this mistake twice, man?
Bro, we jumped in and started talking, but I've got
Mail-in ballots. Here we go, Keeper. Here we go.
I got my number. I don't know. I hope everyone else is
your number was 82059.
Correct. That is my number.
Okay, so I've got yours, and then do you guys want me to prove that I have all your numbers? Unless you guys started.
Yeah.
Unless you guys started trading when you shouldn't have been.
Degening on the weekend.
Blood, you should have been at 1,035.27.
No. 1022, I think it was 1026 or 1022.
See, keeper leans into the right when it's convenient, but when it's also convenient, leans to the left. And
Shut
like
Blood
says,
I have Blood written down as 1035. Maybe you exited the trade right at the end of the show and it moved.
Can you show us your chart?
I told you after
so we don't have a Joe Biden.
All right, Blood. So you're at 10. We're going on the honor system here. You're good. What did you say?
Talking about Joe Biden. You guys saw the laser eyes?
Hey, hold on a second. Let me get these numbers, Crusader. You guys are fucking
you should have done that before the show, man.
Yeah. What was it, Blood? 1026.
Yeah.
And then Evan, let me see if I got yours right. Evan, I had you as 1027.80.
Yes, yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah.
Okay. So Blood apparently is the only one that was a little off.
No, man.
1020. I'm just fucking with you. 1027.80. Okay, cool. Just want to make sure.
I'm an honest trader, bro. We're gonna squabble.
I know.
Square up.
No, what I think was I took your number maybe before you had exited the last trade or something.
How do you guys feel about Joe Biden's laser eyes yesterday after the Super Bowl? And
Joe Biden, bro.
A little odd.
More than odd.
The alt text on the image says Dark Brandon.
I know, it's funny.
Hold on, what did you say?
The alt text on the image, if you hover over it, it's literally says Dark Brandon. That's why people were saying, "Yo, did this guy get hacked? Is this a hacked image?"
Like, why is it still up though?
I don't know. I don't think it was hacked. I just don't know why it says Dark Brandon. Got the laser eyes right after the show, and it says just how we wrote it or something like that. And that's the text for the image. That's the caption.
And then he had that video about shrinkflation before that.
Yeah,
bro.
Laser eyes?
Biden's brain is shrinking. How about that?
Hey, Blood, I got my alumni in here cheering you on right now down in the chat, bro. I brought them all over here with me.
My guy.
You know what I mean?
I had a great time on Army's show. Great time last week, bro. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, I would love to have you on again, man.
Yeah,
that goes for anyone on here. You guys ever want to come over or hang out on the in the Piper Academy? We'll go down to the quad and have a frat party.
Oh yeah. So gentlemen,
I gotta schedule that for you. I gotta schedule that on your thing. What time is it? 9:30?
9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, I'm gonna schedule it after today's show.
I would be up 110% on a trade that I only had $15 in at 100x. You know what I'm saying?
What a coulda,
all that matters, bro. Just take a screenshot and post it.
Screenshot, baby. Post
all those people turning up their leverage at the end, you know.
This thing is on the way back down. So, gentlemen, let me ask this: you guys can play your cards close to your chest. You can lay it out there. You want to put pressure on people. Whatever you guys want to do,
baby. Bada boom.
Whatever you want to do. But let me ask this: are you guys trading?
I'm fucking taking this home today. You guys are fucked, dude. You guys are so fucked.
Yeah, we could bounce here.
Oh, that sounds like Evan might have taken a little long action. Evan, what do you trade? Are you trading Bitcoin? You trading ETH? What do you?
I did take a long on Bitcoin. That's in the red.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, it's definitely dumping right now.
I didn't mean to sound like a dickhead. I'm sorry.
I can absolutely turn back around. Who knows? Blood, are you in multiple alts right now?
Yeah, I'm in 4 trades right now. I'm in a Bitcoin Cash trade, a BNB trade, Bitcoin trade, and a Link trade right now. Just trying to get into the other ones, man. Get in where I can fit in, baby.
Get in where you can fit in. Hey, we got Crow. We got Crow in the background here. I've been leaving him backstage. I did not mean to do it. Crypto Crow in the house. What up, Crow?
What's up? Normally I just pop in the frame, and I didn't populate this time. I thought maybe I smelled bad.
I saw you calling me, and I was like, "Wait a minute! I'm sure he saw
Invisible Crow. Look at what we got here.
Invisible right now. I'm not sure.
Invisible. That was just me. I was like,
no, I could see him backstage. Let me hide him again, real quick. Hold on. I could see him backstage. It was weird, and then
yeah, my resolution.
He's weird. Like a ghost.
Yeah, it's all good.
Crypto ghost.
I'm ready. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm ready for whatever it is.
Well, CryptoFace apparently is kicking ass and taking names right now. Evan's a little leery, and Blood seems just confident. So we're gonna find out how this plays out. Blood, you don't have to tell us where you're at. If you want to, you can. But what assets are you trading right now?
Just told you, buddy. What the hell? Come on now.
No, you told me 4 alts. You told me four alts. I didn't hear the 4 that you said.
You said Chainlink and.
Oh, I did not hear that. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I got BNB. Bitcoin Cash.
Okay.
Chainlink.
I did hear that because I heard you say Bitcoin Cash, and
I'm in Bitcoin as well.
Are they all longs, or are you shorting some of them?
I can't tell you that, buddy. If I tell you, I gotta
tell
kill you. If I tell you, I gotta kill you.
That's right.
Come on now.
I don't think any of us want to trade Bitcoin Cash, man.
So let's talk strategy here. So Alex, you did a great job this entire season, as did everybody else. But I want to ask you, Alex, because you were profitable throughout the whole season. What was your strategy in this, and what did you think was the hardest part about this show?
It's being under the pressure, but it's also knowing what's moving within that time area. And kind of going from there. I think that's the hardest point. Like, even for me, like I could share my screen here, and there's like this little, I don't know if it's a hack or a little way in here, but on the on TradingView, you can go into here, like open up a new tab. This is the app, but you can go to heat maps here, and you can go to crypto. If you click on the crypto part, you can get this here, and you get you can adjust this at the top right here, what's moving, what isn't moving. But I like going over here to volatility. And on volatility, then I can make it so what's moving right now. Obviously things are moving, but this will give you kind of like an insight of what's moving. I was sharing this with Piper's community as well. So you can see like Immutable X, Optimism, BitTensor. A lot of the time when I was trading on here, it was stuff such as SEI, ORDI. So I would go over to IMX, I'd look, and then I'd do some TA on that, or I jump into I have like this here. So it's like TIA, SUI, SEI, and ORDI were all seem to be moving during trading wars. So I'd go in from that heat map, and I look at what's moving, and then from there I do TA on these, because you're not going to get those big massive moves. Like we've had one on Bitcoin today, that's great, but if you're limited to an hour and you want to scalp something and hopefully get a 0.5% or to 1% gain, you're gonna have to not degen, but kind of degen, you know what I mean, and try to give yourself a chance to actually make some profit, unless you're going all in on your account. Like if you're gonna stick to trading only 5% of your account, you can't, you're not necessarily gonna make those big gains on something like Bitcoin, right? So
yeah.
Chris, can you tell me what my starting number again was, so I can put it
write
it down
here? Yours
is
$820.59.
Okay, thanks, bro.
No, thanks, Alex. And I actually, that's some of the stuff that I want to learn as I've been trading more and more and more. That's something that I feel like, because I've been scalping, that's a good thing for me to be able to do is look. I didn't realize that actually. Where is that on TradingView? The heat map? What's that under?
For me, I open up a new tab, and it's right there.
Just
so
add a new tab.
Add a new tab. I use I use the app, but I'm sure you could just type in heat maps on your browser and find it through there as well. And then just go to the crypto heat maps, and then you can sort it by volatility on the tab there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, sir.
Is that something you do too,
well.
Army?
What's that?
Is that something that you were doing as well, Army?
Yeah. I've showed that many times in my alumni community. Also, Alex O and I, we've got a team partnership going with our channel, so we share a lot of stuff back and forth among the Otter gang and the alumni. So
yeah.
Wow, that's a good one, man. See, always learning something, man. No matter how long you've been in something, always learn. That's a good
knowledge is profit.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
That's the one.
I like it.
I am
melting faces
right now, baby. I'm fucking seeing stars.
Here he goes, ladies and gents.
No.
We have one. What is it called, Alex?
One cat.
Oh shit!
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
I should have put Blood Analytics on the one cat, man. God darn it, I forgot, Alex.
Oh man,
I forgot.
John 2024 wants to know, is today a spin the wheel day or 100% testosterone day? This is 100% testosterone day.
Yeah, the beef jerky.
Did you know there's a meow in homeowner.
Huh?
Homeowner.
MEOW.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
what
Oh
that
my
I
gosh.
don't
He's
get
saying
it.
in the word homeowner, there's MEOW. There's meow in homeowner.
Oh, God.
Welcome to Crypto Trade Wars, and today on stage for your comedy pleasure, it's CryptoFace.
That's right. Tip your waitresses, ladies and gentlemen. He'll be here all week.
Welcome to Crypto Locker Room. That's what it is.
For
Getting
sure.
dirty here.
That's
No
the
women.
one.
No women. We can get real locker roomish.
Careful. Don't grab anybody.
Crypto fam, if you haven't already, follow all of the creators for sure that are on here. They're not just creators, they are professional traders, and they've been doing a great job all season. The finalists, if you're just coming on, are CryptoFace, Evan Aldo, and CryptoBlood right across the middle of the screen there. Alex O was in, just got barely etched out last week by CryptoFace in the 1v1. Army Piper, I think, was maybe the week before that, and I think Crow was the week before that.
Mine was also CryptoFace. Removed me and Alexo.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point.
Yeah.
Damn.
Taking no prisoners.
They were both solid. It was two solid matches, man. Yeah,
for sure.
Two solid
For
trading
sure.
days. Face, you killed it last week though. You were trading like cats or something. You were trading some wild something or other last week.
One
cat.
cat.
yeah, man.
One cat.
I don't know. I found
You
a
got
little
one
strategy, and I'm definitely not doing it today. Probably.
I don't know about that. Listen here.
Uh-huh.
Don't listen.
Everyone
to
could
Face
have
now,
watched
Evan.
last week. You guys could have seen what I was doing last week.
Yep. Now whether he's
I'm
doing
just
that today or
honored to be
not.
on the screen with the people that are on here. This is an amazing lineup of traders, man. CryptoFace, Evan Aldo, CryptoBlood, all legends, So it's honored, humbled to have been selected to be on here with them, Keeper. Appreciate you, bro.
Hey, we're glad that you're here. We have you on here for a reason. That's for sure. Hey, Crow, you still alive down there?
Yeah, I'm just.
Okay, all right.
I have so much going on Mondays. So
No, I just wanted to make sure that you were there, just because we can't see you. CryptoFace, that's his thing.
Me? I'm beautiful.
But
What do
you are,
my God.
you are blacker than blood right now. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Okay?
That means I got to trade 30 different cryptos at the same time now. I don't have time for that.
I feel like
I see myself
I can't.
on the platform.
You do see yourself?
Yeah, I see myself.
I don't know.
So I don't
Nobody can
know.
see you.
You just got to change your
I
fucking
don't. You're a
video.
black box.
Maybe take your cap off the camera.
Your video, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I would crack up if all of a sudden I saw him like pull the.
Right.
Oh,
Look, he's alive.
So I have to be at the lowest possible resolution.
well, that's strange because we've got it set to do.
There's no resolution.
Yeah.
You freeze
You're
frame.
like
You froze.
Tetris, bro.
And he's frozen.
He went from
Oh,
black
what's
to
going
just
on?
Tetris. That's right.
And now it just went black
Looks
on
like-
me again.
Looks like he's on the
Interesting.
porno casting.
I gotta earn that Bitcoin somehow, man. I failed this damn trade war.
only Ada.
I'm sorry, Keeper and Crusader. Is this a family show? I'm sorry.
Not
Is
anymore.
it?
It
Not
was.
anymore. Not
It
anymore.
was.
Round
Not
of
anymore.
applause.
Not on Mondays.
Not when Death Row was in the building, baby.
That's right.
I'm starting my own ogre-based OnlyFans here pretty soon.
Blood, we need to send you a blood red graduation cap from the alumni,
Yes.
bro.
We got
Yeah,
Poor Crypto
please.
Steve with a $2 super chat says, Crow, share the link. Appreciate you, Poor
Share
Crypto
the
Steve.
link.
It's going to be a link of pictures of my feet.
Man. Yeah, I'm
Giant
not
sighting. Bigfoot.
let's see here.
There's people who make money like that.
Oh,
Heck
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Poor Crypto Steve, I'm putting you on the wheel. For those of you who don't know, we have got a show called Flip or HODL. And it's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Poor Crypto Steve, you just got on the wheel, brother. $4,100 the next time we play. CryptoFace has come on and won 2K, 1,700, 1,800,
Yeah,
something like that.
Total. Yeah,
And has given that to the community, and that's what. That's
I
what
wasn't aware of that.
I thought I was coming on to make it for myself.
Shanghai shuffle on me.
Yeah, that's right.
Little Taiwanese 2-time.
Oh,
we're like,
man,
congrats,
you
congrats,
guys are-
face. Who you going to give it away to? And he's
you
like,
guys
wait a
are
minute.
so
I gotta give this
inappropriate.
away?
Little
Huh?
Bangladesh butt plug.
Oof.
Oh shoot. So yeah, no wheel today. John was asking if we're doing a wheel. We are not. We are going to let the traders just trade it out.
A little Saigon serenade.
Not looking good, buddy.
What does everybody think is
good.
going to happen here? Did you guys all honestly think we're going to pump up to like 55 grand? You
I
think we're
don't.
going to get that big correction pre-halving?
I think we're going to get that
Pre-having
correction,
still.
Man, I don't know, dude.
It still looks good.
I'm more bullish than I've been in like years.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
yeah?
You know why we stay above this range
Yeah.
of December of 2021?
Somebody's buying. Like I can just look at the price action. Like
The ETFs,
it
man, they're
looks
buying.
like,
They're buying
yeah,
orders
it
and
looks like
selling.
big
Boomers.
blocks. It looks like big
I don't-
blocks of buying.
I don't
How
know
much
if you
has
guys saw.
GBTC died down on their sell-off?
Mm-hmm. I
Oh,
don't know
yeah.
how much,
Down.
but
It
that's
slowed
significant.
down.
Has it?
I don't know if you
I
guys
haven't
saw
looked
my
at anything
video
yet
last.
today.
What was that, Army?
I said, I don't know if you guys saw my video last Friday, but I actually did a video that I sold 50% of my Bitcoin last Friday. So I sold one whole Bitcoin at 47K, above 47K.
Really?
But I put it all into mining stocks, and my mining stocks today have like quadrupled the gains on Bitcoin.
Oh,
So
really?
What'd you do? Put it in Mara or something?
I put it into
Mara, Riot.
Stark.
Mara, right. Yeah.
I put it into Clean Spark, MicroStrategies, TerraWolf, Cypher, Stronghold Digital, Marathon, and Riot.
So, and what was your thought process behind doing that, Army?
Because I went back and did a historical trend analysis comparison on one chart Bitcoin, one chart the mining stocks, and looked at the returns on the mining stocks versus Bitcoin on the same cycle, the same time frame. For example, Marathon last cycle did 21,800% from its bottom when Bitcoin only did 2,100%. So it was essentially putting Bitcoin on a 10x leverage trade with no fees and no risk of liquidation. So
Nice.
Interesting.
That's a really interesting. That's a really interesting play, Army. Shout out to you for that. That's
I thought you were going to say that you put all that Bitcoin into Caspa. That thing's been popping.
Oh, I got a bunch of Caspa too. Don't worry about my Caspa bag. I tell my community all this stuff. I full transparency all the time. Take care of my alumni, you know.
Yeah, that's my alumni. You know what I mean?
Hey, Army, man, I don't believe in that MicroStrategy stock though. After the post the spot ETF, I think that's going down.
That's
bro.
going down.
Continually going to head in the lower direction. What do you think about that?
When I look at Bitcoin right now, and I see Bitcoin's up 2.88% today, and my MicroStrategies is up 8.76%. That's a 4x on the gains of Bitcoin today. So,
but you know, MicroStrategy has been rallying since last week. But I think I would fade that rally if I'm just saying. I don't trade stocks, but I'm just saying. I think long term, bro, like everyone was piling in because of their proxy to hold Bitcoin.
To Bitcoin.
Their earnings last week was horrible. They did horrible in their earnings.
They did.
Don't matter.
They did.
That don't matter. There you go. There you go. There you go, Face. You're right. I forgot.
No, it ain't like the old days, man. It ain't like the old days.
You're right.
What? Just being irrational? You're saying the stocks will still be irrational?
Man, look at Uber, bro. They haven't turned a profit ever, and they just burn cash. All they do is burn cash.
Yeah, you're
right. But when you look at the product, when you look at the product, you know, what product does MicroStrategy offer? It's literally they're holding a Bitcoin. So if you believe Bitcoin's price is going up, then you have to assume that MicroStrategy's product is going to go up in valuation, which is literally holding Bitcoin. And then on top of that,
that's not even a product. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I wouldn't expect. It's not like they're generating. They don't do anything.
Exactly.
It's just Michael Saylor's
Bitcoin is not a It doesn't. It's not a cash flow asset. It doesn't generate cash flow.
But people associate Bitcoin to Michael Saylor to MicroStrategy by default, and because of that TradFi money that can flow in, man, that TradFi money that can flow in is much bigger on that side.
How long are you playing
Why
this,
wouldn't
Army?
they just buy Bitcoin spot ETF from BlackRock or something like that?
Because they charge fees.
Okay.
Touche.
I think it'll follow Bitcoin generally. I mean, it's tough to say if it will outperform Bitcoin over the next 12 to 18 months. But I think if Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy is going to go up. I think if Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, I don't know. MicroStrategy is far off from all-time high. I don't know if MicroStrategy would necessarily make a new all-time high, but it can get close. So I mean, I think it's risky, but it probably will generally follow Bitcoin.
I told people to sell MicroStrategy at the end of December, and the top was January, right when the spot ETF came out. We're like down.
Well, that makes sense to me. That part makes sense. Blood MicroStrategy versus the spot ETFs. I get that. That makes a lot of sense to me.
But Army makes a good point about fees. You know, I guess you could.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We'll see. That's what makes
to be
the market.
fair. To be fair, on that breakout percentages, MicroStrategy was the smallest of all of them. So my mining stocks are substantially like double. All of my mining stocks are double the percentage of what I put into MicroStrategy. So
there you go. Mining stocks are cool. I like those.
But Cypher right now is up 13.4%. That's freaking 5x from what Bitcoin's done today. So yeah.
That's crazy.
I mean, altcoins right now, you know, I think there's a lot of good deals in altcoins. VeChain, Crypto.com, Atom, Polkadot, Matic.
Oh, there's tons.
Matic's suppressed as hell. Yeah.
A
lot of things haven't got their moves yet, man.
ApeCoin's looking pretty good.
I have about 600% more in altcoins in crypto itself than I do in stocks. So just, you know, it was only one Bitcoin that I moved over into stocks. So.
Yeah, somebody was saying that the ETFs bought like $60 million worth of Bitcoin this morning. So I haven't confirmed that, but I just
that's what I'm saying. Like just looking at the price, like the charts, it just looks like big blocks of buying.
Yeah.
You know. And it's not wild. Maybe you know, I don't know if they probably buy OTC Keeper, but those OTC desks have to balance and buy.
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
but I thought there was where did we lose Crusader a minute ago? Maybe he took himself off stage. Maybe he was doing something. My understanding was that they had to use Coinbase as the custodian. I don't know other than that how they. I don't know if they have terms on how they have to buy. Maybe somebody on here knows. I don't know.
They do. They have to use some third-party company that they picked. I can't remember who it was. Janice Street or something. I can't remember.
Fidelity self-custody though? Fidelity's the one that's self-custody.
Yeah. Okay.
I bought the FBTC one for my IRAs and that stuff. I kind of like the self-custody idea there, but I don't. If they screw up that, then you know what I mean.
Yeah, true. I didn't think about that. Yeah.
Hey, Crow. It looks like people are in the chat. They only came to watch you talk crap to people, and you haven't said much, so they're disappointed in you.
Oh well, the competition's over, so I don't care anymore. I only talk shit to try and mess with people's heads, so it didn't work. I have to try a new strategy next time.
All right, how are we feeling, gents? Face, how are you feeling about your trade so far?
I feel like I shouldn't even be allowed to trade this coin.
You're cheating.
Look at the fucking spread. Look at the spread.
It's still doing it.
And
it's
look
still
at
doing
the
it.
Fucking spread. And I've just been tiptoeing across it.
It's still doing it, huh? All right.
Yeah, look at it, dude. Look at one cat, man. I'm fucking stealing
the show. See, here he goes, ladies and gents. Rigging the sit. We got Joe Biden. Biden face on. Got Biden face on.
But today, look at that candle though. I mean, it's volatile, but
I see what you're saying.
I'm doing pretty good right now. Yeah, I was red for a little bit there, but
you're saying like it's like a 40-point spread there.
It's a nice spread.
See, but I would not have known. I until you brought that to my attention, I never knew that was an opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, it's for small. Well, I mean, it depends what you think small money is. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're looking for, like, you could easily squeak $100 a day out of this easily.
And what's the overall?
I mean, you could actually do more if you fucking do it throughout the day. This is insane.
Is there particular things that so you've got that spread there, but to take advantage of it effectively, obviously you're using You're using Market Cipher. You're using your overall confluence.
Not really.
No? So then what's...
I'm always like looking at the chart, but like this spread, you just set a limit order at the top of the spread and set one at the bottom of the spread. And like, hopefully someone out there or the market making shit will,
we'll grab it.
I don't know. I feel kind of guilty.
This is trading, bro. This is trading, right? This is
dirty.
I like it. I think that's interesting as hell.
My only word of advice is if you don't think you're trading enough, do it, because I wish I wish you would have traded more, a little bit more. Yeah, it's your last chance to get that belt, right? So that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, it sounds like
I see Evan looking at it.
Sounds like to beat CryptoFace here, I have to make $100 today.
From my experience,
yeah, you're gonna
just letting you know.
It would be nice to share our P&Ls right now, so I know what I need to.
Well, that's up to you guys. You can share if you want to share. You want to put pressure on somebody or otherwise, that's up to you guys. Face, you want to put some pressure on them? That's up to you.
Yeah, I mean, it's if you guys want to know, I'll tell you.
All right,
I'll tell you mine.
Okay, Blood, you in?
Mine if I show me yours.
If they should. Okay, all right. All three of them are in. All right,
you guys go first. You go first.
All right,
I'll go first.
Evan says he'll go first. All right, Evan,
I'm down like $12.
Evan's down $12, so he's at about 1,015 ish, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Blood.
Yeah, I'm down about 20 something bucks.
Okay, so you're down around $1,000. Okay,
yeah,
and
I'm
Face
about 997.
Okay, let me see. Hang on, let me do math. I'm up.
You were at
77 bucks.
Oh shit!
Okay,
he's up almost 10%.
That's what I wanted to know. That's helpful. Yeah,
that's what I wanted to know.
Yeah, now I know what I need to do here.
That's fantastic.
If you had one shot.
Yeah, this is pretty retarded.
To use all your accounts.
Y'all better turn on the. You better turn on the heat now. You better turn on that heat. He's up almost 10% on the day.
Yeah, I feel guilty. This is just like, baby. But I don't have to feel guilty anymore.
It's weird. It's weird. That spread is gone now. It's not there right now. I'm looking.
It comes and goes.
Okay, so it will come and go, and you're looking for, and you'll see the opportunities and jump in and jump out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's also even without the spread. Look at the fucking movement of it.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah, it's running.
Yup.
Oh man.
Throwing you guys a bone. I'm throwing you guys a bone here.
He is. There is a lot of movement on this thing.
Dogs are barking. Dogs are barking.
Hey, Face, I'll be out in Vegas April 16th through the 23rd, bro.
All right.
So I'll hit you up right before I come out that way.
I'm not there.
All right, cool. Miss out on all the blackjack fun. That's fine.
Is that what you like to play, Army?
Yeah, I love blackjack.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, that's my shit, man. I love playing that.
I like craps.
Do any of you guys know anything about the Black Magic Pocket 4K camera?
Well, I saw your post about that. You're trying to get that adapter to work on it, right?
Face says it sounds satanic.
I bought 2 damn adapters. They either fit the camera or fit the lens, not both.
Not both.
I'm like driving. I'm going nuts. I've spent so much money on all these stupid lenses and adapters, and none of them fucking work together. About to throw it to a wall.
Yeah, I just keep it simple. I just have a Canon. Everything.
Well, have you not been able to look it up, Crow? It's just not.
Dude, I've been trying to look it up. It's all a bunch of damn. It might as well be hieroglyphics. Everything is different. You got
like a very new camera.
Well, I got this 4K going, and I'm just tired of it looking kind of grainy and just low quality. I want to beef everything up for the bull market. So I was talking to Metamona, and she's like, "Here, try this camera." So I got this it's a badass camera, man. It's like you can film movies with this shit.
Your camera's black, it's 4K, and it's grainy.
My Canon says it's supposed to be a Canon 4K video camera, but I feel like it always looks like shit. And I don't know if it's a setting. I don't know anything about it. And I can't.
It has to be a setting, because if it's 4K, it should be as clear as mine.
Should be crispy.
Yeah, because I've got like a a decently low budget Canon camera as well, and it's pretty clear.
Yeah, but don't you have to have like a monitor to like if you have like a 4K?
Oh, that's a good point.
Plugging into like a monitor that's not, then you
that's a
won't
good
know,
point,
right?
That's a good point.
That's my
Face.
problem with my computer. Is like I have all this crazy graphics cards and shit, but I'm like a cheap ass for some reason when it comes to monitors, and I need to not be.
The monitor needs to be able to handle that as well to be able to see it. Yeah. That's
well, my monitor is that Odyssey Arc. It's like the size of a small car.
Yeah, but does it? But does it have? Is it have 4K? Is it like? I mean, I know there's 8K out there now. Who freaking knows?
Is there? Dude?
You can't even see 8K.
They sell them.
That's ridiculous. Bro.
They sell them. Mm-hmm. They sell them. They're
I don't. I believe I may be wrong, but I believe the human eye can't even differentiate 4K to 8 from 8K.
Oh, probably not. Probably not.
I mean, but like you still like what the human eye say can see what like 40 something frames a second or something.
Yeah.
But like when you play a video game and you go from 40 frames to like 100 and something, you still kind of know, like you know.
No, there's definitely more. There's definitely a difference. You just can't see all the detail.
Right. But like those like crazy Hertz TVs that I hate them because they make movies. They make James Bond look like it's on a fucking like they're on the set of a McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? It makes it look everything's like a play. It doesn't look like. It really shrinks everything. Like it gives too much depth.
Well, the thing about K, like the 4K, 8K, it has nothing like the resolution. It's just about when you blow it up, right? So if you have a huge screen, 100 something inch screen at 8K, it's going to look great versus 100 some inch screen at 4K. You'll be able to see the difference.
So it's the size of the screen versus
if your TV is small. If your TV is small, like
you won't be able to see. You won't be able to see the difference. 8K.
Yeah. Exactly.
So Evan,
but since I told you guys how much I was up, I'm expecting we do that again a little later in the show.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'm not doing no arbitrage stuff. So
Let's
I
see
don't
the
know if I
focus
can
we do
make
that
it.
again? Can we do that again? Right
No,
now.
Oh, Evan, you can share it whenever you want. You want to put some pressure on them? Go for it.
If they're, I'm not going to be unless they're willing to do it because it wouldn't be.
It sounds
fair
like
for me to
Evan.
get
It sounds
shown.
like Evan's got a little shit-eating grin on his face. He's
why are you?
Like I'm not showing my cards unless
Evan's
you show
like
your
this.
cards.
Oh,
You know what I mean? I'm like-
not yet. We just did it.
Get him the
Sugar
cowboy
Man,
hat.
Sugar Man just hit on something. I'm telling you right now. I can tell by his face.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not up no $70 or whatever. I'm up, but not that much. So I need to know what I.
So
need
he
to do.
says. So he says.
Uh-huh. That's right. That's like Face last week on the 1v1. He was like, "Damn it!" Did like multiple times, and he was winning. And he was winning.
He was winning.
Uh-huh.
He was winning. Hey, he was messing
He
with
messed
me.
me so hard.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Well, there was one. Damn it, that was for real. The other 10 of them was pretty much me.
Oh man.
That's funny.
Listen, you know what they say about nice guys?
They always
They're Canadians.
Them Canadians. Yeah.
Let me see here. Yeah, man, this market is doing absolutely nothing.
We got 238 people in here. I'm hoping we got 238 likes, 238
Bro,
of
we don't
you
even
are,
got 100 likes.
are subscribers to the channel. I mean, hopefully you guys have shared this out. Where this is the freaking finals. This is for the belt. This is for all the marbles. And it's the day that Bitcoin hit 50K for the first time in freaking over 2 years.
Man, what a
I don't know how else.
I'm the short.
Well, that's my 100K short is going well.
I don't know about that, man. I don't know, man. The 3-day, the 3-day money flow, bro.
Oh yeah,
every single one, man. When we're at this level, it's got room to go, man.
It's got room to run.
Institutions are buying, man. This not.
Dude,
I might be hearing this 68K forever shit hitting my face.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We're consolidating
Hey, Keeper, I got a question.
3 months, 2 months and a half or whatever. Go ahead.
What'd you say?
What is the price that you paid for the Ethereum that you have to give out on your trade, on your bet?
Ouch. Throwing shots during my stream. Okay. You know what?
I'm just curious.
You want to know? Well, let me give you the answer. 1 Ethereum.
Well,
one Ethereum
yes,
is
of
one
course.
Ethereum is one Ethereum, Army. That is the crypto answer. That is the
But did you buy it
So
pretty
Michael
cheap?
Saylor answer, right?
Yeah,
well, I mean, you could look at it. I was talking to Billy about this earlier. You could look at this multiple different ways, right? I could look at this and say, hey, I'm giving him $179 Ethereum, right? But then I've got a $2,350 tax obligation, right, on the gains. Or I could say, you know what? I got my ass handed to me. But what I don't want to do is 10 years from now, you ask me that question. And I say, yeah, I lost a $30,000 equivalent, bet on the price of Bitcoin.
Yeah,
which is what ultimately
I was thinking about all those angles today, Keeper. That's why I was wondering what your cheapest buy-in was on ETH, because hopefully you first in, last out, or first in, first out, or whatever.
It still sucks though, because I love my
2,600. In the next 12 months, you'll be out 10 grand.
That's right. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Okay, we need to share our P&Ls right now.
Something interesting's happening. Something interesting.
I'm gonna tell you this. We're at the halfway point. We're at the halfway point.
Just did it right, Face.
We're at the halfway point. Just throwing out there, just to support what Evan's saying. We are at the halfway point.
Mine hasn't changed.
Just share.
Wait, Keeper, what was my starting number? What was my starting number?
Your starting number was 1,027.80.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Mine hasn't changed, Evan, but I'm trying to get in a trade right now.
Mine has.
Okay, thanks, CryptoFace. Okay. That means I need to keep trading, damn it.
That means I need to keep. Hey, listen, there's the same guy that I told you was saying, damn it, as the prices, as he was winning.
It's your turn, Evan.
You got to keep an eye on it.
How much am I up? I'm up. Let's see here. Let me do the math because I gotta. What's 10 for? I'll get my calculator. Give me 1 second.
Oh, he's up big. He's got to bring out the
calculator.
He got some big digits.
I get out my calculator.
He's flipping it around into scientific mode too. So.
Yeah, I'm up about $17.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, not as good as what you're up.
Ace is like, that's cute. Cute.
I'm gonna have to do
that's cute. That's cute.
That's cute, Evan. Oh fuck. That's cute.
That's Evan's bluff, man.
Yeah, I don't believe it.
Multiply that times 3.
I don't believe it.
Well, we're gonna
I closed a lot of stuff out at the top, at the local top here. So that was a good short.
Victor Ramirez knows the truth. This is the best trading show. Yes, sir. Yes, it is. Listen, normally the traders are actively sharing the trades that they're in and out of. This is the final. This is the championship. So we've been, cutting up, having some fun. But the reality is, I get it. They want to play it close to the chest. This is that, we want to win, right? At least I always want to win when I'm in competition. So.
Is there a minimum everybody's trading with right now, or is Army still trading with 50 cents? And Crusader, is he monitoring any of this?
Not even in the competition.
Can I get some shots fired, Blood? Can you support me with fire? Support my fire?
He's got 1,000x 50-cent trade going.
I got you, Army.
Thanks, man. Cover me while I move.
We're pumping like crazy.
Wow.
He's changing his trade right now to a full dollar. He's getting really with it.
I'm not trading at all. I'm hanging out with the bros. I have $0 on this trade.
I thought you guys were all in a big competition. I thought everybody came back.
No, it's just life. It's just Blood, Evan, and Face.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Finale between them 3. They're the ones.
Damn it, see, I'm fucking with wrong people.
We're just here to entertain, bro.
I'm just the jester of this whole program. That's it.
So, Crow, you've been on the show for 3 seasons now. What's been one of your biggest challenges on the show?
Keeping my mouth shut.
Let's go.
Honestly, for me, I'm such an emotional trader, an emotional dude overall, that I get myself psyched out, and I'll do shit when I know better, but I'm like, fuck you, I'm gonna do it anyway. And then it kicks me in the teeth, and I'm like, fuck you, I want another one. And then I'll stick with it, knowing better.
You're revenge trading.
And I'm like in a fight.
He's a
with
revenge trader, yep.
Yeah, it's like, so that's why I'm always so big on bot trading, so I don't have to deal with none of that shit, right? I do the work at the beginning, and I let it do its thing, and I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's my biggest hurdle, is my own damn brain. That's my biggest hurdle.
When are you going to release your own bot? When are you going to release your own bot?
What did I what?
When are you going to release your own bot?
I have it. We it's already running. I'm running it right now. But we added AI to it, so you could put AI scripts into TradingView, and it'll trade the alerts. And so, but we're trying to get it working on FairDesk, and we've got it working on like 6 different exchanges now.
You need to talk to me, Crow, because I developed my whole trading engine on.
Evan, tell me you went long on the cat's meow, bro. Tell me you had a long.
I don't even know what the hell that is.
Man,
you don't need to. Apparently,
come on, man. I'm trying to help you out here, bro.
Oh god, the cat's meow. What's the ticker on that?
Fucking
one cat.
I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but bro, come on. I'm trying to throw you.
I'm long on Matic.
I'm
long on Matic.
I'm eating.
Bro, maybe for a future season, we can get you on with your bot trading and see if your bot can outperform the actual traders.
Yeah, no, I would absolutely do that.
Well, that's what I'm doing right now with my.
I was about to say, Bloodalytics has brought blood here. Let's be, right, blood.
Come on now, yeah.
But the reality, and I reminded people,
you don't even have to come into the trade itself.
It
triggers on its own.
I don't have I don't know if LevX has API. Integration, but I'm with FairDesk, and
he's got it set up to be able to do that on this show. He's just following what those trades would have been, and he's executing them himself.
Right.
But the reality is, you know what? He wrote the whole script for it. I was talking to somebody about it, and I was like, "Hey, the reality is, like, he wrote the whole damn thing. He's the reason that it does what it does. It's the same thing as trading. Now it's just probably in terms of brain power, makes it turns on a little bit of that, gives you the opportunity to get into more trades at once, right? Just be able to boom, boom.
I mean, like on FairDesk, I'm trading 14 pairs at one time.
Yeah, that's tough.
Wow.
Well, that's been our hurdle because FairDesk's API is really wonked up, and we're like, they do so much crazy shit for security. So my developer's been working with their whole team, and now they're on the damn holiday. So that version's been pushed back.
With me. I've been down that road 2 years ago with them. So their API is very wonky, and I had to build my own functions and everything to get it to work the way I want.
Well, they make you pull like 500 candles at a time. Like Coinbase makes you pull like 250 candles, and they consider that secure. And FairDesk does like 500, and it's like it trying to work with that data as it's nuts, man. We're trying to make it work, but. Yeah. I mean,
what do you mean? Are they at the exchange back testing your indicator? Is that what you're saying? Like it wants to know so many candles at a certain time frame to be able to back test it? Is that what's happening?
As my dev explained it to me, most exchanges will pull like 2 to maybe 300 max candles worth of data at a time and pull that into the API for whatever you've built to read that data and act on it.
Okay.
Well, FairDesk wants you to do a minimum of 500 candles, and so it causes a lot of delay, and so you're having to try and like buffer that shit out to make it work in real time. We're just trying to figure out how to like find a happy medium so that everybody can function properly.
Yeah, I see. I use TradingView to leverage all of my logic, and I just use FairDesk for the actual trading. I built a trading engine over there that manages the positions and gets in and out and all that stuff. So I don't know. Maybe
so you're doing AI trading on. You're basically using TradingView to run a script that you created. So Crow Trader would be able to run that for you automatically. You wouldn't have to manually do it. It would trade your alerts.
It does. I have it set up to trade my alerts. Yeah, it reads it and executes it. That's where all of my programming hours have been trying to get that engine to work properly and run like I wanted to.
And you've got that working on FairDesk?
I sure do.
Oh wow. Okay, because we're doing that all from scratch, like right now over the past week and a half.
You might want to come talk to me.
All right. Well, let's talk then, because if anything that gets this shit done.
Exactly. Time is money.
I didn't even know you were a developer.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a programming background.
And how you got time for all the slanging and gangbanging if you're a developer?
Hey, man.
That takes us all our time.
I retired that life. Hey, I got a
golf course here.
I got a question for someone that does this LevX stuff, man. I can never get the limit orders to fill.
I was having trouble.
What's the spread? Like, how many points above the market should I put it?
Okay.
or below.
So when
like
you
mine skip through a lot too.
like here,
oh my God,
like
bro.
if you're gonna, are you trying to long or short?
I'm trying to get out of them a long. So I'm
Okay.
I'm trying to go under the market.
Okay. So on the trade, you want to click like limit, like where you go to exit, like when you click to limit exit. Now there's a number that's changing that shows you
Right.
what the current shit is.
Right.
So
Market
you
price.
said you're trying to get out of a long or trying to get out of a short?
Trying to get out of a long.
Okay,
So
if
I'm
you're
trying
trying to,
go
get out of a long, then you need your number to be higher than the number that is changing and showing you what the current price is. Do you understand what I'm saying?
There's a number.
It should be lower because it should be lower, right? Because I'm trying to buy at the ask. Yeah, I'm trying to get out immediately, like faster than wait. I don't want to wait. I don't want to put a number above the market if I'm trying to get out of a long.
But then that's not a limit.
That's
then
a market.
You're being
and that's a market order. That's what I'm.
No, but you can't limit below the market.
You got to do a conditional limit.
It's
shorting.
God.
Blood, I was having the same problem, and I think Alex walked me through that.
Unless you're
you gotta be
conditional.
You got to be a taker, not a maker, right? So you have to be
a limit is you're being a market
conditional
maker.
Okay, I see. Conditional. Yeah. Man, I ain't got time for all this shit, man. I'm about to mark it out of this. Some bullshit.
$10 Canadian from Arctic Fox.
There's that Canadian dollar, man.
Come on, fam.
Justin Trudeau money.
You gotta help me out, man.
Bro, just do it 1 or 2 above that number. You can do it.
You can do it,
bro. You can't be taking those market fees, bro. You can't be taking those market fees, bro.
Yeah. Those market fees are gonna definitely.
They kill you.
Damn,
they kill you. They kill you.
They do.
Yeah. What that happened to you, Keeper? Right? That's what you were telling me the other day. That all little trades.
So, but Crusader, I talked it over with Alex, and he told me I was doing exactly what Blood was just saying. So I was thinking of it in reverse, basically saying, well, why can't if I want to, let's say I wanted to get out of a short and I wanted to wait for it to come back down to a certain, basically I was just looking at it at the exact opposite. When Alex explained it to me, I got it. It was the maker versus
on other
taker.
Exchanges, that's how it is, right? So if you want to get out,
but then you're just marketing out.
You take
taking unless you set a conditional order. When it says when it hits this price, then I want to do it. So that prevents that. But if you're not doing conditional, it doesn't matter if you hit the limit. But that's why we click post only.
I did do the post only.
Okay,
I did that.
So now you're safe from being marketed. So if you enter shit wrong, it'll reject it because it's saying, "Yo, you're trying to market order."
Right. Okay. Yeah. Man.
That's every exchange.
I was doing the same exact thing. I was doing the same thing.
But if you're trying to do what you're trying to do, you should play with conditional sometime because that adds that extra variable where it's like when it hits this price, I want this shit to happen no matter what, even if I'm on the wrong side.
You can see in the order book, you can put an order in. So that's what makes up an order book, right? You have bid and ask, right? So you can put an order in below the market. Let's say I'm trying to get out. I can put an order. I should be able to put an order, post an order to the order book below the market. And as the market moves up and down, it'll take that order. That's what I thought I was doing here on
right. I mean, but it depends on where it's at. Like if
maybe
you know, it depends on where the book's at. If in what side you're doing, you know what I'm saying? In order to be a market maker, you have to be on that number below or that number higher, depending on if you're shorting, you know, if you're longing, then you need to be on the bottom side from the top number down. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to short, it's gotta be from the top number up. That's creating that's creating the market.
Maybe I just wasn't let's see if this works. Still didn't work.
You guys still can't see me, right? So I can like pick my nose and nobody will know.
No, we can see you.
It's been on screen for a while now.
Oh, okay. Well, good thing.
Yeah, you're no longer Clearly Crow.
Clearly Crow.
Yeah, it's your new energy drink that you can release. Clearly Crow.
Come on,
Looking good, buddy. Looking slim.
Slim Jim.
Fast.
Still a fat ogre. I just look better than I did before. So everybody thinks, wow, you look so fit. No, I'm still fat. I just not as fat as I used to be.
Hey, Crow, are you a revenge fighter, like a revenge trader? So, like, if you're in that match and you don't win, are you going to jump him in the back alley afterwards?
I'm going to win. I'm not worried about it. I don't revenge fight. I win the first time.
That's right.
Nice. Well played. Well played.
Man, I believe in you.
I showed my wife your
Travis
old
Kelce
fight.
without the fucking gayness and immature bitch that he is, but he can move fast. That guy can fucking move. You can move fast. So you're the cool version of him.
I showed my wife your old fight, and I said, "So the guy he's fighting, you heard him say he was 6'6", and she went, "Yeah." I said, "Crow's the one on the left," and she went, "Oh my god, how freaking tall is he?" I said, "He's a titan." So
I'm just a big ogre.
His fucking legs as big as me.
I'm old though, damn it.
I'm with you, Crow. I'm with you.
It's not easy.
Yeah, getting old sucks.
Oh yeah, that midlife crisis. I'm gonna have to go buy a Ferrari and drive around college campuses looking for girls pretty soon.
Pick me up, bro.
It will just roll around playing Sugar Daddy, whatever that song is from the 70s.
Red. I'm your Uber.
Who's your daddy?
You're on the show. That's my grandma. Say hello.
Oh, hello.
Hi, Grandma.
Round of applause for Grandma.
You're on Trading Wars.
It's my grandson.
Yes, it is.
Favorite grandson.
It's a lot of gun. It's a lot of gunplay going on, Grandma. You better duck. Move. Get out the way.
They've delivered the goods.
Crisis, and Alex is trying to hook me up with his grandmother. I don't know.
You got that Ferrari there, Crow. You coming by?
He's trying to turn this into a dating show. Crow's talking about how much older he feels, and so I thought
Dating Wars.
Dating Wars. Dating Wars. That's a good one.
If anybody's never been on the stream before today, they're probably like, "What the hell?"
You get the lowest hanging fruit. You get the grandma if you get eliminated first.
Unexpected.
Oh no.
I'm an idiot.
Okay, what are you guys up right now? I
All right, so listen, we got 30 minutes left, so I think this actually would be a good time to go ahead and share where we are.
We gotta share screens.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Share some screens.
Let's get the screens.
Yeah, I'll share mine. Let's see.
Are you pulling it or am I?
Yeah, I'll pull it.
Okay, it's shared. It's shared.
Evan is at
10:58.
10:58, and he started at 10:27, so he's up $30.
Damn,
so
Evan.
He's moving. He's moving.
Good
All right.
job,
I'm not in
dude.
any trades at the moment, though.
There, buddy.
What's
All
up?
right.
What are you trading?
Dude, I went like 70x leverage on Bitcoin. Like when it bounced off of that same area, made $70, but I had to mark it out. So I mean, it would have been like
dude,
a
that's
nice
fucking
one.
good.
Still made some.
That's a nice
That's
trade.
good, bro.
For sure. Blood, how we looking? Blood is at 1,046. So he's up 20. He's up $20.
I made 70, almost $80 on my BNB long.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
That's nice. That's real nice.
So yeah, we're up. We're up.
All right, and then Face.
I don't think
Here
I
we
need to
go.
share.
This is some bullshit, Face.
Oh, come
You get
on.
on my nerves, man.
We have to know.
Yeah, you got to share, bro.
Pepper, you trading anything?
Watch him be up like $2.
No, I'm updating my bill tracker.
He pulled up his trading.
He pulled up his
and
trading
business.
view.
Oh, what? Nuh-uh. Oh. Oh, my bad. Hang on.
I shared my screen, guys.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
Screen
yeah.
shared.
I did, yeah.
I did my obligation.
Okay, what the fuck? Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Come on,
Ah.
man.
Where is it?
Oh, he's up $100.
Shit.
Damn.
Okay.
He started at
920. He
820?
started at 820. He's up $100.
No, he's not trading. Okay, all right. That's the how it is.
I'm not in a trade right now.
Okay,
Correct.
He is up 100. 100.
Trying to let you
All
guys
right, guys.
catch up.
What are you guys gonna?
Trying to let you guys catch up. What's the strategy here now? Right. So you guys
Maybe
have
a strategy.
I mean, I hit him for a set. I hit him for $80 on one trade. So I'm
Mhm.
trying.
Yeah, but you didn't
Yeah.
limit out.
Right,
Bro.
well, and
You
shooting,
gotta-
Evan did
you
too.
gotta have confidence,
And
bro.
Evan did too.
Bro, I don't know how this platform
Bro, you can
works,
do it, bro. I will.
Like,
I will
this shit
coach
is-
you through it if
You
you
will
want
have
to
to.
fucking
You will have to.
stream. We'll get you that limit,
You will
bro.
have
We'll
to.
get
We'll
you
get you
out,
the limit out.
bro. You got
have
to.
help me
It's
out,
gonna.
bro.
It's make or
'Cause
break. Honestly, the marketing in and out ruined me the first few fucking weeks. You know, so, and that's why I'm like, I'm done.
Me too.
I'm done entering and exiting
Yeah.
market. I'm
Yeah.
only limit entering and limit fucking exiting. That's it.
Yeah.
Here goes Solana.
All right, so who's gonna?
But is
100X
Solana
market
crash
bracket.
again today?
No,
Well, I
it's up. It's up at 1010. It's fighting that 109 resistance. It's up right now. It's trying to get up.
Every DGen out there is trading Solana.
Yeah.
It's worthless trash, but number go up.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much how it works. That's what that
That's
VC money does.
narrative, right?
Man, I remember
Well, when all
how
your
much
volume's
shit
wash trading,
everyone
it
was
looks really
talking the
good.
first time Solana went down. Then they said it was dead at $9. Now everyone's sucking it off again, dude. It's so gay.
Mm-hmm. It's called propaganda,
Everyone
Mike.
is so gay in this. Space,
Exactly,
dude.
it's called
I swear.
propaganda.
The cool people, most of them are little bitches.
All right, so who's gonna do the 100x trade?
I did a kamikaze one that's not working out.
Come on, man. I told you what to trade. I'm telling you guys what to do.
No, I'm not deviating from my trading strategy. Sorry. I'll
Yeah.
just go down. I'll just
You're
go
doing
down.
good.
Just
You
go
gotta
down.
limit out. Meanwhile, you limit out.
Yeah.
We still got to
Yeah.
teach you how to limit out, bro.
Yeah, gotta teach young little blood, little buddy, little baby blood. You gotta teach him. Get him on the training wheels, face. Come on, buddy. Come on, Dad. Dad, come on.
Sometimes you just need a little push, a little direction. And you can go on your very own way.
That's right.
There you go.
Take off the training wheels.
Man, I want to
off
check
the
out
training
Blood
wheels.
Analytics. I was asking you about it. I want
Yeah,
to
yeah,
show me
yeah.
that
I'll
shit, man.
I'll shoot it your
try
way.
that shit. If that shit work, man, I'll sell the shit out of that shit if it's
Yeah, I'll shoot it your way,
if it
bro.
works for me.
It does
you know?
for sure works. Oh man,
I'm gonna turn you into a rich motherfucker.
Hey, I don't
When
speak
somebody
on
buys-
camera.
I asked you this already, but when somebody buys your blood analytics, it automates the trading as well, or it just gives you the signals. You
can set it up on. So I'm actually migrating everyone over from the copy trading side back to the future side because I can't partial close on the copy trading side on Fair Desk. So it's messing up my profitability.
Oh, it's messing up where it'll take pieces, parts of your profit. You're saying
Yeah,
it won't
I'm
let
an
you.
ABCer. You know, I'm always closing, always be closing. So it'll automatically trade it for you. So you can fund your account.
Okay. Look at this cat coin. Okay,
No,
it's.
God.
I'm gonna share my screen right now. Let me share my screen right now.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
do it.
Okay. Now look, it's 0.04482 on top and 0.04442. So check this out. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to be quick. Okay, we're gonna let me do 10% limit. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck did I just do? Oh, I didn't. Oh my god. Hang on. Fuck. Shit, I totally forgot. Okay. 4. I gotta type it in here. 4482. I'm gonna do 8. Oh fuck. No, I missed it.
You still got a 30-point spread there.
3, 5, 10%. Boom. Okay, so at least I'm at 3.5. And look, it's at 407. So hopefully, I'm gonna do one more. 10%. 4, 3, 1. I'm gonna front run it.
Open.
Boom. Now I'm gonna cancel that 305.
Damn, I missed it.
And you're opening a short.
4431. Okay, well that shit's dropping now.
Again.
So I missed that one. But I mean, even if you know what I'm saying? Like if I market shorted this, I'd be instantly down instead of just like
Right.
See how that gap was there, dude, and like you catch them half the time. If you'll catch them half the time. Here, 4416. Let's try it again. 44.
In the meantime, Retro Mike Tech gifted 5 memberships. Put that man on the wheel. Welcome Andy Lee, Nikki, Curtis, Anthony, and Mick. Welcome as new members of the show.
I will
Put
do
Retro Mike on the wheel.
Retro Mike.
Yeah, Retro Mike.
Retro.
All right, so I'm here at 4414. So hopefully someone will take this. And if someone takes this, I'm instantly in profit, and I can set a limit exit at 440. Boom. See, there it is. Boom.
Where's your profit?
Well, now I'm not in profit because it went up. Oh, man.
Watching how Face does his magical trades in the background.
So you're taking advantage of that spread there is what's happening. Interesting. I gotta figure that out. I gotta work through that in my brain, how you're actually taking advantage of that. I gotta work through that.
Dude, let's just get good at trading Bitcoin first, and then we'll figure that out.
Yeah, no, I mean, but hey, if it's we're looking for the ultimate, the money glitch, bro.
Okay.
Unlimited money glitch.
Until that money glitch gets patched, bro, and then you get wrecked.
That's why we never see CryptoFace on camera. He's actually just a brain and a jar hooked to computers. So
did you just get out of that trade?
Okay. What just happened?
What just happened?
Yeah, it exited, and you made a couple bucks because you were at 920. It looks like you made a couple bucks.
It's like $2.
Yeah, that's see.
And that's how I do it.
And that's how it's done.
Anyways, that was a small amount, but
yeah, but that
you kind of look at that gap. Okay, now the gap closed. Oh man, this coin's fucking volatile, man.
But Face, you can do that you can long or short that, right? Or so you're just looking at the overall trend and then taking advantage that way.
Yeah, I mean that's the way to do it. Like honestly, you want to see you still want to chart it, try to figure out if it's more likely to go down or up.
Yeah.
But typically it'll bounce between those spreads. I mean, even when it's spread up, it'll close, and if you get it right, you're good.
So when you see
I got
that
it wrong
spread,
one time so far today. Like I had one go red so far.
So when you see the nice little spread come up, you're going just above if you're shorting, you're going to the top side of the order book and maybe the second number in, putting it in, shorting. And
you can click the number too.
Yeah. For sure.
Pre-fills it.
And then but then what's the strategy for getting out of it? Limiting out of it? Is there a number that you're looking for there, Face? In particular, you're looking on just the other side of the order book?
Yeah, I mean, it depends. It depends. Same thing as entering,
Okay. I have to keep an eye out for that. I'll be right back, Crusader.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Oh man. All right, we got 20 minutes left in the show. Chop up some trades, get in some profit. Now you guys know Face's secret sauce.
I'm up $17 and I'm not even playing.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Damn, that's a finally you actually have a profitable trade when you're not on the damn show.
Because I do better when I don't give a shit. I'm too emotional, as I'm saying.
You're gonna get that bot set up, bro. Get that bot set up and come back for another season.
I'm gonna check on my backyard, see if it's not.
I definitely want to do that.
House.
If all I have to do is just hit go and sit and talk shit for an hour, fuck with everyone else. We're gonna get real good.
Oh man, Army Piper dropping in a $50 super chat. Come on, man, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Split between Alexandra G and Dave Digital. Right.
Yeah, that's my alumni. You know what I mean.
Get back on. We gotta put on work.
Got to take care of my peoples, man. My mods.
Appreciate
That's
it.
the one.
I thought Blood had Hunter Biden over there for a minute. He was the way.
I'm a Trump supporter through and through, my
You don't see
friend.
the little glass tray.
I saw a picture like that on a laptop, and I thought, wait, maybe they're friends. You had that shit on like a pro.
Loaded, man.
I'm done with my disinformation speech.
Disinformation. Oh, this is crazy right here, man.
Oh, man. So you guys like degenning all the way in, or what's going on?
I'm pretty. I'm pretty heavy, but you know,
don't lose to a pussycat trade.
Needless to say, trying to make over $100 in an hour and a half to beat CryptoFace here is semi-impossible.
I believe in you.
Hey, man, it's not that impossible.
All right, I'll give you the trade set up now.
Yeah.
I'll give you the trade set up now.
Hey, Crusader, I just pulled this. I didn't.
Okay.
Did you pull this while I was gone or no?
You want to go?
Yeah.
All right, so
All of your account.
I got him already.
On a short on SEI right now.
SEI.
Hey, bro, don't be trying to tell them. Don't be trying to help these guys.
See ya. See ya later.
I bought SEI this morning.
I think that's the next pair I'm gonna.
I thought you were
down
fixing
in,
your backyard, bro.
I was. I just came back and then you're fucking giving these guys the
They're
pointer.
conspiring against you. Thanks for conspiring against you, bro.
Oh man.
Alex wants revenge for knocking him out last Thursday.
Irrigation.
Yeah, I'm gonna
traps,
map Bloodlytics
so.
to see a coin. I see that one really cracking on a lot of exchanges. A lot of
I
volume.
love See a Coin.
Yeah. Gotta check that
I used
one
to
out.
use that in all the
Altcoin?
crypto casinos back in like 2018 or whatever, because you could trade. You'd have like 30 billion of those suckers, man, and like.
Wait, you're talking
my
about
God.
SIA?
SIC, yeah.
No, not
they're talking about
Or
SEI.
SC, I think. SC.
SEI, right?
SEI is what the ones they're talking about.
Yeah. The new,
Oh
it's a
no,
newer
okay.
one.
I'm talking about the
SEI.
old school file storage.
Oh yeah,
SIA
I remember
is
that
what
one.
they're called. The
I
SIA.
remember that one.
It's still going.
Saya, yes.
Yeah.
I remember that one.
I almost bought a whole shit ton of that in this last bear market. I wish I would have, because it just goes up every time. I mean, it's like it does. Nobody talks about it. Nobody trades it. Nobody does shit with it. But its use case is legit. It's been around forever, and it's like a roach. It's not going anywhere. And in a bull market, it climbs, man. I'm telling you, it climbs, and it's always like a meme coin with a real utility.
There you go.
That's interesting.
But it's always overlooked. One of these days.
One of these
Okay.
days, you're gonna buy it.
Ape
That,
coin.
that
Ape
SEI
coin.
coin does kind of look like a good short.
Yeah.
I see what you mean. That's basic market stripe, market cipher strat right there, buddy.
That's
Ape
that
coin,
one.
guys. Ape coin.
It's going down. I'm up almost $25. I might catch up with Face.
Everybody watching, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe.
That's right. Make sure to hit that subscribe. Put the bell notifications on. Do your thing, family.
Oh shit! I'm only at a 19x on my short. No wonder. I should be at like $100 right now. I thought I was at 100x on this damn trade. It's just a long.
You're 1x.
No, I'm 100x isolated long trades, and I'm only 19x on short trades. And I'm in a short.
Yeah.
So I should
Oh,
probably
dude, we
be
got
up.
Rice. We got Rice
I don't-
TV on the chat. Shout out to Rice.
Son of a bitch.
So, anybody bet on that Super Bowl?
Yeah, I had an 11 leg parlay that I knew I was donating for because there's too many damn legs, but it actually did decent on it. Got like 8 of them, I think. At any event. Yeah.
It was a fun
I
game
like
to watch,
playing
though.
the tile game where you buy the squares. I like the square game.
Yeah,
but
that's a good one.
I didn't
that's
have a
always
party. I just had my girl and my homie over to watch the game. That's it. No squares.
Yeah, it was a good script to watch.
That was a good script.
Yeah, man, I thought they were gonna have Taylor Swift lose because like, oh, Taylor Swift. Oh, I thought, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, dude, they fulfilled their contract. Taylor Swift took them to the Super Bowl. Now they won, and now they break up, and then there's a song about it in the next 6 months.
Have you heard the 13 shit with Taylor Swift, bro?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, damn, that was her 13th game, and 4/9 is 13, and the date, the 2 plus February 11th is 13.
Wait,
It's all 13.
Oh yeah, it was
man.
a ton of it. It was a ton of it.
What white people news are we talking about? What happened?
The address for the place is 333.
Yeah.
What white people
So
news
blood,
did I miss?
so blood. The date yesterday was 2/11. 2 plus
Okay.
11 is 13.
Okay.
Taylor Swift's new album is called 13. Let's see. She had
49ers, 4
she had
plus
the
9.
49ers, 4 plus 9 is 13. She had a flight from Taiwan or something yesterday, which is
Tokyo.
which is a 13-hour flight. She's been to 12 games. Last night was her 13th game.
I got it right here.
The 49ers were the 1 seed and the Chiefs were the 3 seed, or vice versa. 1 and 3 is 13.
If you count from 1 to 13, you got 13.
There you go. Keep it. Crow. There you go, Crow.
She looks just like the satanic daughter, something Avril Lavigne.
Anton LaVey.
Anton LaVey.
I looked into that. I think it's total bullshit.
Yeah, LaVey. She looks just like her, dude. She is a fucking twin, dude.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
Just shows we're in a simulation. That's all. Messing with you.
Man, we ain't in no simulation,
We're in a simulation, man.
But by that
Blood
logic,
tomorrow.
I smash people's skulls with a baseball bat with nails in it because everybody tells me I look like Negan all the time.
Oh.
Negan. That's a good one.
Blood tomorrow morning on Piper Academy. When I start the news segment, I'm going to go. Today's news is brought to you. Today's white news is brought to you by CryptoBlood.
Yeah, I'm like Taylor Swift. What white news we got going on here, people? What y'all talking about?
Today's white news brought to you by CryptoBlood.
I don't even know who Taylor Swift is. Yeah, I didn't even watch
That's
it, bro.
weird, man.
I didn't even watch the
All that number stuff is weird.
Yeah, it is. That numerology stuff is very, very strange.
Yeah, the address of the stadium is 333, which is 33, which is the whole Illuminati thing.
There's a whole lot there. A whole lot.
Damn. Come on now.
How you doing over there, Evan?
You won.
You won.
You're up $100. That's so hard.
No, Evan, here's the deal. You could degen on anything you want. You got 10
I
minutes.
am. I'm losing degening. I'm down $100 now.
Look, you put in 10 trades, $100 each, all at 100x leverage.
I'm in 50K worth of trades right now.
But just not working.
Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, we need Bitcoin to pump. It's not pumping. It's going down.
Oh man.
Yeah, Bitcoin's going down.
Yes, that was the least satanic halftime show I've ever seen. Like,
Yeah, it was.
yeah,
For sure.
it was.
Yeah, I just wish.
but I
wish
tell you
the
what,
audio
I mean,
was actually good.
I wish
Usher's got
Usher
the
would
balls
learn a new
going out
dance
there when
move.
everyone's talking about how he's gotten his shit pushed in by P. Diddy his whole life and all this shit. I mean, it's crazy how everyone that
Wow.
that what was the comedian that just said everything on the Shay Shay Club Shay Shay?
What was that?
Cat Williams.
Cat Williams.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone Cat Williams was dogging was on the halftime show.
There you
Ludacris,
go.
There you go.
There you go.
Usher.
There you go.
There you go.
Ludacris.
Funny, man.
Yeah, Usher's got. I'll say on my shit. Usher's got some little teeth on him. He took off.
All I gotta say is Jay-Z's got to be one of the ugliest mofos in history, and if he's gonna be with Beyonce, there's got to be some magical force making that shit work. That's all I'm gonna say.
Illuminati magic, bro.
I mean, the dude. I mean,
Camel. He's a camel.
I never thought of that.
He's a camel?
Yeah, he's a camel. Joe Camel.
I mean, he's got mad skills. I'll give him that. But man, you got to if you're that damn ugly. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
He's not that. How old is Jay?
Damn, this shit is turning around, bro.
He's 54.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
I hope you
catching
guys are
up.
shorting.
I'm at 35
I'm
bucks.
not.
Not looking too good.
No, Face definitely won this one.
I gave you the setup, man.
I mean, I was up $30, and I was like, this is good. Usually that's enough to win, but
I was
That's
up
pretty
70.
good, man.
yeah,
$60 actually, 60.
man, you
Not
guys
enough.
are good. I mean, that's freaking hard with
I want to see
$1,000
this drop
that's
to like
tough in an hour and a half.
38
No,
grand
but
again.
I'm not now. I'm down
Yeah,
$50 on my ADA and AVAX long. So
yeah.
done data.
Unless we really jump up like crazy in the next 10
I
minutes.
don't know. Maybe I actually lost some money on my last trade here. You don't know. And maybe
That's
you
good.
would
Yeah,
have
but
won
not a lot,
if you
though.
didn't go ham. Maybe
You
I
didn't.
just lost $70 on this last trade.
Yeah. All right.
Face didn't do shit. He's just
right. Exactly. Exactly.
For the people in the chat asking what this is Trading Wars, where it's a competition for 5 weeks on a whole season. Basically, these guys come on here, they trade live, and now we're doing the finale. This is the finale, the last episode between CryptoBlood, Evan Aldo, and CryptoFace to see who's going to be the winner of this season. So that's what it is, you guys.
Ooh wee. So look, I mean, I'm not saying I'm up or anything, but I just want to show you really quickly, Keeper. Let me see if I can share.
You're trying to trade. I see you over there, very concentrated.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I was trying to use. What
do you have? Like 15
I was trying to use the little strategy that that Face was showing. All right, but I keep missing the freaking limit. Go ahead, Blood.
No, I'm just saying this Bitcoin Cash short that I put in at the beginning of the show. It's doing very well, but I took half my profits. I did limit out. What I had to do, Face, I had to actually put it way like a little bit higher. I was too close to market price. That's why it was not working for me. So I got it now. I got it.
All right, cool.
But yeah, man, it's not enough, man. It's not gonna be enough. Old Face over there.
Face gonna be the winner. Face gonna be the winner out of 2 of the first 3 seasons.
So man, you're. I mean, you go.
That damn cat coin.
They actually posted that.
We all got
that
slayed by
red-eyed
the
Biden
fucking
is a real
pussy.
thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing. It's a real thing.
Yeah. That the Biden thing is real, dude.
Oh my god!
What's the Biden thing?
The
He
image of him
posted
with
his
laser
own
eyes.
meme tweet. Is he trying to get popular?
Dude, they tweeted literally last night, right after the Super Bowl, a picture of him with laser eyes, and it says, just how we wrote it, and then in
Just
the
like
alt
we drew
text,
it up.
Yeah, and then in the alt text it says Dark Brandon.
That's a funny troll, though. You got to admit that is a funny troll. I just think it's funny that people spent years complaining about Trump meme tweets, and then he posts like he's like a super villain. That's some funny shit. I'm not gonna lie,
man. This is what you get. This is what you
where he
get when
looked
you're
at
still in
Darth
an election.
Vader coming out, the White House was all red, everything was
Oh,
dark.
yeah.
He was there like Darth Vader speaking to the Empire.
right? No, that wasn't funny. That was creepy as hell. But this is kind of funny. This is like
who's he trolling? Is it Super Bowl or crypto?
He's trolling the big
us, the
conspiracy about the Super Bowl and all the lefties and like how they're controlling the whole narrative. So that I thought that like they were like the Chiefs were going to win the Super Bowl, and then Taylor was going to come out like, "Congratulations, honey, I want your baby, and by the way, vote for Biden." But none of that happened. I don't know, man, but this tweet is like I like want to screenshot it and turn it into an NFT of the greatest troll ever of any president, because it's I'm not a Biden fan, but this is hilarious.
Yeah, we got tweet did some good got a promotion for sure.
Wow.
All right, we got 6 minutes left, guys. 6 minutes for you guys to degen your trades, your last few 100x trades here to try to make it back up. Ooh, Bitcoin just took a nice little dip
we're just dumping.
That was the time. 100x that short, baby. 100x that short.
I wish I should be in a short. Fuck, but I don't want to short Bitcoin.
I'm up $50.
Dang, bro.
How much time is left?
How much time's left? Can I jump back in?
5 minutes.
Oh yeah, I'm pretending.
Yeah, I mean, she went up a lot. She just kept on going today.
Are you still in that short, Keeper?
No, I exited out. It was ended up being, let me look at it. It ended up being what did
300%?
No, I got out 99.43% winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
So now you got like $30 to try.
That's right. $27.65. And I'm trying to do the infinite money glitch that face was trying to show us, and I can't get the damn thing to execute. I keep missing it every time. I'm like going 1 or 2 above, and then it keeps going the other direction. Like I can't get into the freaking trade. Damn it! So I'm either doing it a little bit wrong, or I'm just getting really unlucky.
Don't worry about those shortcuts, bro.
I'm just trying it to, I'm looking for the like. Boom! Here's one right here. Seeing if I can get it to.
I just want a free book on book.io.
What?
The Voyage Out? Is that it?
Do you?
I was going to ask you guys. I asked Keeper this earlier today. Do you guys think since Bitcoin hit 50K, the halving hasn't happened, the ETFs are doing their thing? Do you think we can make a new all-time high by the end of this year?
Yeah,
this year, hell yeah.
I said, definitely all time.
Hell yeah.
Wouldn't that be the first time
maybe 100K?
Maybe
100K.
Really?
Yeah.
You
gotta understand. You gotta understand the power of institutional money, man. It's a bid under the markets now. Unless there's a black swan event where you have stocks and everything go down, which can happen, of course, but you can't plan for that. Yeah, it's going up. It's just
so wouldn't that be Bitcoin's first time ever making a new all-time high right after the halving? Like literally, it always takes about at least like close to a year or so.
Yeah, it's the first time Bitcoin had a spot ETF too.
When's the happening?
End of April.
April 21st ish.
I would take the opinion that we'll see a summer lull after the halvening. I could see a sell-off after the halvening if we do get up to, I don't know, say mid 50s, pre-halving, and then come back down to 30s, 40s or something like in the summer, and then from there blow up to a new all-time high by the end of the year. I can see that.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know timing. I just know this year will definitely be all-time high and possibly 100K.
Let's go, baby.
100K this year.
Man, I don't even know if we're gonna take a lull, bro. I mean, this damn, like I said. I'm tunnel visioned on the money flow on the 3-day and like what it's done in the past. I just can't get over it. I'm just a fucking moon boy. I think I'm moon boy.
I mean, people are gonna knock it down. Like people are gonna knock it down when you get close to 100K. Like you ain't getting to 100K just straight. Like you're not. You get up to 90, 95K. You ain't going.
I thought we're at 90,000 or something. No. Like
yeah,
I mean, we're
100K is a psychological. What? How many digits is that? 5, 4, 5, 6 digits, 6 zeros. Yeah, that's gonna get knocked down.
Well, 5 zeros and a 1.
Yeah,
5 0. That's what I meant. 5. Yeah, 5 zeros.
Yeah,
5 zeros. That means a lot.
Oh yeah, every halving you add a zero.
Yeah.
Speaking of 5 blood, I just looked at my channel. I am 4,842 subs. I'm about to hit 5K.
Let's go, man.
Dang it! You took
that
hell off.
Mark means that.
Hey, speaking of that, Crusader.
Doing that.
Speaking of that,
Crusader.
Not saying that you're doing this, but did you call up another channel that goes live around this same time and ask for some tips on how they out pumped Bitcoins?
No,
they got more subs than Bitcoin. Than Bitcoin.
I ain't got the money for that, man. I just got a good team.
I think I know who you're talking.
I know you have it. I'm just saying.
So hold on a second. Let me just tell everybody. Listen, y'all better be paying attention on Saturday because Crusader and I are having a live stream that we never have, and we are going to be exposing what y'all may think. You know what I'm saying? Like we keep it real in the space, and we want people to know what they're actually looking at. And so real recognize real, and we're going to talk about it on Saturday. So 260 something of you, we got some beef and some drama coming up on Saturday. So be here.
Oh man, you know I love the beef, baby.
That's what I'm going to say.
No, I think my big catalyst was that Bitcoin price prediction video that I did with Alex at Crypto and Lure Beaches Crypto, because we've gotten like 13,600 views on it. So
you were just shy of 1,000 subs at that point, so that made it go nuts.
Yep,
that's good.
Yeah, huge catalyst.
3 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah, it's 3 o'clock. All right. Let's talk about it.
Let's wrap it up.
You ain't got nothing to talk about.
Blood, you started at 1,026. What'd you end at?
962.
All right. And Aldo, you started at 1,027. What'd you end at?
765.
He went DJ.
But to be fair, I was up to 1060 with no trades open, or 1070 with no trades open. I took a kamikaze trade to try to beat CryptoFace.
I got up to 1060 something too. It's so crazy, Evan. Yeah, I got it right there. 59, something like that.
I mean, I would have stopped if I was in the lead. You know what I
mean? Face, what'd you end up at, brother?
624.
Yeah, right.
922.63.
922.63. Hey, round of applause. CryptoFace has won 2 out of the first 3 seasons. Actually, let's be really fair about it. He's won the only 2 seasons he's been on.
Yeah, every season he's been on, he's won.
And he's won. Face,
I just want to say that
you're a champion.
Number one, I am proud of myself because I think it's pretty cool. But
yeah,
you made it back to that redemption arc, bro. It got rocky for you there for a
minute.
Yeah,
it did. I was a little nervous, man, and but
and that infinite money glitch showed up on one cat, and it was over.
Yeah, that was nice, but no, good competition, and met some people, made a couple new friends, and a couple connections, and fucking A, we hell yeah.
Well, I'm glad I could beat each and every one of you this time. I appreciate you guys giving me the opportunity to make you all look embarrassingly sad as traders.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to be a little easier on everyone next time.
Well, shout out to everybody that was on here. Listen, you guys all did a freaking fantastic job. This is a really hard thing to do. We tell the traders, we tell the people that are watching this all the time, when you talk to traders about things to do and things not to do, one of the things that they'll tell you all across the board, they'll say, well, don't force a trade. And so we have these traders that are professionals in their craft come on, and we force them to trade. We literally force them to do the thing that they tell you not to do. So it's incredibly difficult to be put on at a certain time and told, hey, you've got to trade. And oh, by the way, you better be more profitable than the other professionals in their field. So congrats to all of the traders. This is an incredibly difficult show. Looking forward to having you guys on for seasons to come. Let me ask this.
I should make a little belt or something, man. A little plaque. Can you get me I don't need a belt, something big, but just a little square plaque that I can show and rep on my channel. It would be good for marketing.
Yes.
For you guys.
That's true.
Send me a little plaque, man.
Yeah. We will definitely do that. We were actually talking about that the other day.
Oh yeah.
Of what
I like this show.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is real.
We need to figure out how to up the ante.
Well, let's talk about it. So you guys are all on here. You guys have been on, a lot of you on more than one season. What are these suggestions? What are the criticisms, suggestions? What are your thoughts?
We play strip trading. For every trade you lose, you got to take a piece of clothing off.
I think we need to go back to trading the top 10 coins.
Okay.
Shot it face. No, seriously. I think we should go back to trading. It's not because of him, but I think we should. It evens it out even more. Like in Formula One racing, like there's strict criteria that everyone has to follow, and it just keeps it even across the board. And I think that's something you should do. And I also think you should make it best account balance wins. I know you want to keep it spicy.
I'll be driving a Prius, blood.
Yeah.
Each season's different. Each season's different.
Best account balance does make sense.
Changed it up every season.
We've changed it, yeah.
Because I think I had the highest. I ended the season with the highest account balance.
We don't know.
We definitely, Blood. You did end the season with the highest account balance. You were up $40 on face at the end of it.
And we all started from the same place. So if you got the highest account balance by the end of it,
so
let me tell
you why we didn't do that.
Oh yeah, Alex was up there too.
Alex killed it too. The reason that we didn't do that,
he's got his grandma helping him. That's not fair.
Grandma's giving me buy signals.
That's true. The reason that we did it, so we're continually switching stuff up, but just telling you guys the reason that we didn't do it that way is because we looked at it and talked about it, and we wanted to incentivize everybody because it's a game show too, right? Like we wanted to make it like active to where everybody felt like they had to trade. Let me give you an example. Alex was up like $350 on the first week because Army had a bad week and Alex had a good week, right? How the hell in the situation that we put you guys in does he ever come back from that? If Alex just sits back and puts his arms up and says, "Yep, it only took me 1 week to win this."
Should have managed your risk.
Hey, yeah, exactly.
And then,
That's
and then we
part
all
of it.
sit around and don't talk about anything because we're just like, yeah, just waiting for him to finish out the
I get
season.
what you're saying. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
So
You're
I
there's a
think
lot.
maybe if you
season, it's cool. I don't think there was any problems. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I enjoyed it, and I don't know when. What are you guys doing for next season? But
what if every week? What if it was like on a point system based on account balance? Like every week, whoever has the highest account balance, you get 10 points. The next one gets 9, 8, and then every week, and by the end of the period, you just whoever has the most points by the end of but it's based on a week to week performance. Because I think the percentage P&L stuff is kind of like crazy, right? Like, but then maybe we can use those points, like whatever you build up over the period of time. Maybe we all kind of work on sponsors. Maybe you can kind of like, well, this guy can donate his points, or we can use our points to buy like a prize or something and donate it to the audience, whoever our favorite, most active audience member. And there's so many different cool ways that we can jazz this shit up and like really bring more people into the mix as far as, people watching and really getting them involved. I don't know.
You know what I think? I think actually we need to bot. We should bot the views a little bit. Like bot like 500,000 views.
Don't try to Solana this chat.
Listen, sometimes YouTube will like stick a channel where they can't go any higher.
Oh,
like
really?
It happened to me at like 30,000. The only time I ever bought subscribers, I just bought 1,000 subs to break that glass ceiling, and then magically I'm getting real subs again. Like I've been stuck at 200,000 subs for 2 years. So I think I need to like buy like 5,000 subscribers,
which
to like break that fucking ceiling, so it lets me gain subs again. So like I don't know. I
think there is something to that.
I'm gonna bot the fuck out of this show next time.
Somebody botted us. Somebody botted us a couple weeks ago. Somebody botted us a couple weeks ago. Yeah, they sure did, for sure. Okay.
I like those ideas. I like those ideas about making it a league, maybe having some points.
Because we talked about doing
it's like when you play Mario Kart, right? There's a bunch of different races, and then you get first place, you get X amount of points, and then a few other races you don't do as good, but you're still gaining points, and at the end you're still number one.
Yeah, it's an average of the whole period. Yeah,
and we've talked about the brackets, like if we were to do it within like either whether it was a whole bunch of 1v1s or whether it was miniature teams where 2 or 3 people were on a team, and then we had brackets of teams. There's so many different ways to do it. The bottom line is the hardest part of the show is scheduling, because we would like to move it over to more of a 10:30 in the morning time frame is what we're talking about for next season. Guess what? Like, for example, right now, I can guarantee you at least one of you can't do that. I think Army can't do that. Right, Army? So that would be so it's like it's always somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like the scheduling is the hard part of this show, is the hardest part. We want to have everybody on, but everybody's got their own thing going on, So it's always that's always difficult for sure. For sure. Shout out to you, CryptoFace. You killed it, brother. Congratulations. Blood, Evan, congrats making it to the final. Alex, congrats on being profitable every single freaking week. Crow, congratulations on keeping everybody entertained. And Army, you continue killing it over on the YouTube. Well, shoot, we're on the YouTubes now. Continue killing it over here. We aspire to grow like you are growing right now. So keep killing it. Keep killing it.
Shout out to
we got anything else?
them.
Shout out to all the alums. We love you guys. We appreciate everybody. You could have been anywhere on a Monday, but you were hanging out with Crypto Wars, Trading Wars Finals. Shout out to CryptoFace. Another round of applause for CryptoFace Crusaders. Toss it out there.
Thank you, guys. Shout out to Shitcoin One Cat. Never heard of the damn coin until last week on this show.
There you go.
But it did.
Good job. Good job.
That's why we always say, question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, HODL.
Like a top.
We will see you soon.
Peace.
Holla.